What is up, guys? Well, little update on my Fiero, my 85 GT. It's been kind of fun lately with it. Age is finally starting to catch the car. I just lost the slave cylinder last week, got that replaced. I did end up doing the CS130 alternator upgrade. That's working great. And last night, I finally got my 87 Fiero GT wheels on it. They look really good. But being that I've owned this car for almost 3 years, the list of stuff that I've gone through with it, in all actuality, is classic car ownership. We're talking, I replaced the motor, I switched to a 5-speed, new clutch. I'm just going through fixing that mid-80s GM electrical stuff. It's still a nice car to drive. It's got enough power. Fuel economy, it's just fun to drive. And now since I got the new rubber on it, I'm going to drive it more. It's because it needs to be driven. Don't let classic cars sit. Or any car for that matter, for an extended period of time. You start running into issues. I still got more work to do to this. I'm going to end up pulling the cluster out and fixing the tach. Through the forums, it's more than likely a resistor is bad. I need to fix the lights on the cluster. The headlights are stuck up due to the headlight main relay, the one that causes them to go up, and then the return down is bad. Because they'll go up, just won't come back down. I have a spare one of those. I just wanted to get out and drive it today. Going through my normal day-to-day stuff with it. And you guys just seen that. This is how these people drive here. And I got that on video. I had my blinker on. Guy pulled right out in front of me. Washingtonian drivers. Just nice to drive this car. Some people have asked me what it's like to drive it. Just a big go-kart. Manual steering, non-ABS. You get to feel every bump in the road. You can feel what the car does. Everything. Now I'm saying there's better cars out there, don't get me wrong. But this is my 8th Fiero that I've owned. My first GT. Probably won't be my last. I am on that elusive hunt for a fair-priced 86, 87 fastback that has a manual and not the automatic. You can hear it in the background. I really love that exhaust note. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and cut the video short. Just wanted to give you all an update on this thing. Get some more pictures of it, get some video. Probably right before the end of this video, you're going to see a walk around of it with the 87 GT wheels on it. Check me out on Instagram. click like, subscribe on my channel, share it. All right, guys. Later.